What I've noticed about my skin since using the Elixir is that it just feels so much more youthful and evened out the skin tone. I felt like I was getting sort of dark patches, but through using it every night, it's really helped to hydrate it and even out the skin tone, and I feel better about myself. What I like about the Elixir compared to any other brand that I've ever used is that it's all natural and there's no parabens, there's no nasties that I'm putting onto my skin every night, and I can just feel my skin sort of sucking up the goodness and making those wrinkles go away at the end of the day, giving myself a youthful look. What I love about the Elixir is that it's the only product I need to buy. I'm saving money while doing really good things for my skin. What I've noticed since using this oil for the last 2 years is a big difference in the wrinkles around my eyes and the dark spots that I sort of am experiencing from the sun damage that, you know, you can't sort of get away from in my job that I do. It's a bit outdoorsy, so I find using it has really helped improve those things about my skin.